Aha, Igbo bụ Igbo mma mmanụ. Ekelekwa m unu. Abịakwana m ọzọ. Onye unu na-anụ olu ya bụ nwanne unu nwoke, EBUBENNA-YA. Ihe m ji bịa n'ụbọchị tata bụ banyere nwanne anyị bụ Peter Obi. Eji m ohere a na-agwa ndị Igbo si onye ọbụla mepee anya, n'ihi na o ruo na mgbe ihe mmadụ ji awụ ihe ya. N'ihi na onye hapụrụ ọba ya kpọọ ya mkpọkọrọ, ụmụaka ewere ya gwu egwuregwu. O nwere okwu mama nnukwu m na-agwa m mgbe ọ nọ ndụ. Ọ sị m na eji nsị ahụ ama ụtọ nsị. Gwakwa m sị m na onye ọbụla rara mmiri ofe anụ dị hapụ iri anụ, si na ọ naghị eri anụ, na mmadụ ịghọ onwe ya aghọ dị ya ahụ. M na-arịọ unu ndị Igbo ka a ghara ịbụ ndị na-eri ara mmiri ofe ma ọ hapụ iri anụ dị n'ime ofe, si na anyị adị eri anụ. Ihe a bụ mmadụ ịghọ onwe ya aghụghọ. Ka m were ohere a gbanyetụrụ unu ihe onyonyo nwanne anyị bụ Peter Obi. Ka m gbanyere unu ahụ nwanne anyị bụ Peter Obi nyụrụ, ka unu were nsị ahụ wee mara ụtọ nsị. Ndewonu. Ọ bụ nwanne unu nwoke EBUBENNA-YA ka unu nụrụ olu ya. Ngwa lelenụ onyonyo a m ga-agbanyere unu ugbu a. Ndewonu.
Mr. Obi is credited with introducing fundamental changes in Nigerian politics and is remembered for the following achievements while in office: exemplary commitment to reforms and development, building relationships between Anambra State and other countries such as USA, Britain, Russia, European Union, Belgium, Israel, Venezuela, and others. Attracted big Fortune 500 companies like SAB Miller, Distel, and GlaxoSmithKline, Nimitz Pharmaceuticals, etc. to Anambra State. Under him, Anambra State was rated the least indebted state in Nigeria by the Debt Management Office. Anambra was adjudged by the Federal Ministry of Works the state with the best network of roads in the country, having asphalted over 800 kilometers of roads. He reopened long-closed schools and returned missionary schools to the original owners with a grant of 6 billion naira for their rehabilitation, distributing over 30,000 computers, internet access, Microsoft Academy to over 500 schools. Anambra State students for the first time achieved first place nationwide in the 2013 WAEC and NECO Common Entrance Examinations. It provided 700 buses to secondary schools in the state and provided boreholes to over 300 schools. He also built classroom blocks in all the 177 communities in the state. He ensured the payment of over 35 billion naira in outstanding pensions and gratuities in the state since 1999. Before he became governor, no single health institution was accredited in the state. But under his administration, 10 schools of nursing, midwifery, and medical technology, as well as 2 hospitals, were accredited. Mr. Peter Obi stands for justice and fairness and was the first Nigerian governor to reclaim his governorship mandate after 3 years in the court, giving confidence to others to pursue their stolen mandates. He is also the first governor in Anambra State to serve for 2 terms since democratic rule in 1979. Perhaps Mr. Peter Obi's greatest legacy in office was his financial prudence. He funded development projects without borrowing money from financial institutions, nor raising bonds. And he handed over to his successor, Mr. Willie Obiano, also an alumnus of LBS, the sum of 75 billion naira in the form of cash local foreign investments. In a recent testimony, the Anglican Bishop of the Diocese of Amici, Right Reverend E.O. Ikako, spoke glowingly of Mr. Peter Obi while advising his successor, Mr. Willie Obiano, to toe his checkered steps. Mr. Obi is a native of Amatutu village, Agulu, Anaucha, LGA of Anambra State, and he's married to Margaret with 2 children. For contributing in an outstanding way to the development of Anambra State and Nigeria, for contributing in building an oasis of sanity and expanding the ideas of what is possible and what can be done in the society, setting new standards in the process, and for reflecting the ideals of the school both in private and public service, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi is hereby being honored with the Lagos Business School Distinguished Alumni Award.
By special request, I'd like to invite the Dean, Lagos Business School, Dr. Naso Konedo, to please join the President